Hello, good morning everyone. Myself Maheshwari, and today we are going to learn about the insertion of translation in prokaryotes. Now let's discuss about the translation in prokaryotes. What is translation? Translation is nothing but the synthesis of protein from mRNA is called translation. Here, in both pro and eukaryotes, the steps in the initiation of translation are association in initiator methionine tRNA with a small ribosomal subunit. The complex binds to the mRNA at the 5' cap and the scans for the AUG start codon. Here, 3' is internal codon and 5' is insertion codon. Now let's discuss the mechanism. In first steps in eukaryote, the 70S ribosome undergoes the dissociation into 30S and 50S subunits. IF1 causes dissociation in presence of Mg plus 2. In second step, IF3 binds to 30S subunit to prevent reassociation of 30S and 50S in prokaryotes. In step 3, here we have two sites, that is P site and A site. P site is called peptide site and A site is called as aminoacyl site. This combines with 30S ribosome. Here we have 5' and 3'. In the end of the 5' we find the Shine-Dalgono sequence that interacts with rRNA molecules that compose ribosome. The interaction of 30S ribosome subunit at the correct location of mRNA template. Now this polycystonic mRNA binds to the 30S subunit. Here we find three insertion factors, that is IF1, IF2 and IF3 are the special insertion to tRNA called tRNA-F. Now here it releases IF1 and IF3 factors. GDP goes and hydrolyzes to IF2 with the attaches of FMET. Here AUG anticodon base pair with AUG after IF2 and GDP and IF1, IF3 falls and go and bends to 50S ribosome. Here insertion complex takes place. Translation in eukaryotes. Translation in eukaryotes occur in cytoplasm on the rough endoplasmic reticulum. The cytosolic matured mRNA is monocystonic mRNA. 80S ribosomes decode mRNA into protein. It is same as in prokaryote, but first amino acid is methionine and participation of 80S ribosomes takes place. Subunit of 80S ribosome are 40S and 60S. Here in step 1, dissociation of 80S ribosomes by EF3 and EF6. Binding of EF3 to 40S and IF6 to 60S prevents from reassociation. Step 2. Here the special sequence takes place, that is known as Kozak sequence. 5' cap of monocystonic mRNA recognized by IF4E and Kozak sequence of mRNA usually exists in tertiary complex. It is linearized by IF4A and IF4B. The mRNA bought 40S ribosome by IF5. Step 3, that is formation of insertion complex. Same here, we find two sites, that is P site and A site are present into 40S ribosome. mRNA goes and binds to the P and A subunit. IF2 always binds to GTP and brings a representative aminoacyl to tRNA. Here the aminoacyl tRNA bends to insertion codon and all the ETFs falls down, that is they are IF2, GDP, EF5, IF3, 4A, 4B, IF4E. That is falls off. Falls of the 60S ribosome and now attaches to the 40S ribosome. Here the insertion complex takes place. Thank you.